Hi everyone, Mike Luzu here for the DIY the M92B cam. Here it is, the comfort version. That's less painful for the back, you know. The weight will crack your back. In the small case, all the accessories in the case. That's an upgrade. All the products can be used separately. I needed a Snorricam for my several projects. I didn't find a low budget, so I made it DIY, you know. Alright, that's a comfort version. It's not the pro yet. So ting ting, don't forget to subscribe. So first, the monopod with the barrel screw. That's a very long and sturdy. That's the same brand as my older, but it's a round design, much better for the clamps, you know, to attach. That's a little bit better. Of course, you can extend more. I already use it. It's not like new. You feel a little resistance because it's no longer straight. Because of the clamp, you need to be very tight to not let it down. You know, the quality, it's great, but not like steel. But for the price, that's a low budget, and it supports up to more than 8 kilos. That's great. So the ball head, Neewer, you know it. If you saw all my other videos, you recognize this little guy. Very low budget, but do the work. If you have a camera with a cage with the Arca Swiss type, you can mount it, or you have the little plate. That's a really great and cheap ball head for this type of setup. It's alright, it's enough. And then the magic arms, SMALLRIG, very great for the price. Once again, everything low budget, but works. You can buy two like this, but I already had this one, so I use it. It's shorter in the bottom. It's great, but you can do with two like this, and of course with the clamps, and you can tighten it up. Very secure. And of course the plate, the vest, how you want to call it. The vest is not the greatest, but low budget, and once again DIY. works and it doesn't hurt my back anymore. So not like the previous version. It's large and great for the abs and the back. It's more great, it's more comfortable. That's why it's a comfort version. Little monopod holder. It was made for gimbals, but you know, you can use it like this too. The little down with this is a strap. It's a little short. Me with the vest in my last short film, it was very tight. It was at the end, it was at the limit. Not for all the types, but you know, you can do it. I put the little cables holders, that's enough, and 2 plates, SMALLRIG plates with all the holes, the 3/8 and the 1/4, and you can put the little strap like this, and in the back too like this. If you want, you can put little weights to counterbalance. Personally, I don't feel the need, but you can do it. The plate in wood to support all this, and of course the little pads, which is more comfortable. You know, it's very large. The wood doesn't hurt your stomach or your back. The little straps, I have one, but I think it's better to have 2, one for each side. So like this, you can very quickly untie it. Once again, low budget DIY. I'm very proud of this because I made it from scratch. Be careful with the plate in the one in the front, who can be loose with the weight. It's all in front, so after the shoot, if it's a little loose, you can feel it. So you tighten the screw and that's alright for the next shoot. Of course, it's better for action cams, but you know, if you have a little setup like this with a mirrorless camera with a little wide angle lens, it's better. But yeah, I made it with the anamorphic, with the Snorricam, the 24 to have the wide angle lens. The 24, it's a little heavy with the camera, but that's okay, and it supported very well. Petit setup, alright. Only the monopod start to bend a little bit. So yeah, once again, what's great with this is you can use every product separately. So if you need a magic arm for your camera, for a little light, you can use it. The ball head, the monopod also. Here it is, my little DIY M92B cam. Alright, it's not the Pro yet, but ting ting, a little great version. If you are tight in the budget and you need this POV style shots, that's a great solution to start. You can do it. If I can, alright. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and until then, don't forget to enjoy.